There was a time when our mornings were ushered in not by an alarm, but by a sweet, insistent sound. That sound, cheer cheer, begins a calm, nostalgic melody, a soft, soft cheer cheer sound. She was our housemate, a little shy, a little combative, but always there. Squirming in the hallway, fighting over grains of rice, she was an essential part of our childhood. Then cities transformed. Concrete jungles sprang up. The old walls, the smell of earth, everything vanished. Its nesting sites were taken away. It found it hard to find food and water. That tiny bird has become a lost voice in its own home. It's not just a bird. It's a reflection of our environment. If it's healthy, we're healthy. We can make small efforts. A bowl of water, some grains, a little shelter. Let's bring back that chirping sound. Start your morning again with natural music.